Alright, we're approaching a big roundabout. I'm going to take the first exit left, then we're going to do straight ahead, and then we're going to do exit on the right. So I'm approaching the roundabout to take the first exit left. I'm in the left lane, because the left lane is marked to go left and straight ahead. Keeping my safe distance from the car in front. It's going to follow the curb round. As I get a bit closer, maybe if I'm the second or third car from the front, I'll do my mirror signal left. So about now, I've got my car in the centre of the lane, and all I'm going to do is I'm just going to start peeping across. Now it doesn't matter which lane the cars are coming in, we don't want to cause any of them to slow down, stop or swerve. So if you can see, we've got quite a few cars. If the car is in the right lane, it's got to come to the left to come off. So just let them all go past. Right, we've got a truck, it's moving a bit slow, so it's safe for me to go. I'm going to check my mirrors. And then straighten up, signal's already gone off, so I'm okay. Right, I'm at the big roundabout. This time I'm going to take the second exit straight ahead. Road markings in the lane are telling me to use the left lane to go left and straight ahead. What I'm going to do is when I'm on the roundabout, I'm going to mirror signal left after I pass the first exit, so I don't confuse anyone as to which exit I'm going to come off. Again, I'm starting to peep across to the right to see where cars are coming from. I've got to make sure that when I join the roundabout, I don't cause them to slow down, stop or swerve. Again, it doesn't matter which lane they're in. So I'm waiting at the giveaway line, and I'm just peeping across. Quite a busy time, which is good. Right, I can see a little gap developing there. Yes, I'm going to join. I don't need to go too fast. I've got it in second gear. I've passed the first exit, mirror signal left. It's important to keep the car in my lane. Straighten up, come off, check my mirrors, straighten up. If the signal doesn't go off, just gently click it off. Right, at the roundabout, I'm going to take the third exit right. There's two lanes on approach, and the right lane is to go right. So one lane leading to two. As I get closer, mirror signal to come into the right lane, and then I'm going to leave the indicator on because I'm quite close to the roundabout. Brake, clutch down, keep my tyres in tarmac gap with the car in front, and get my first gear ready. Right, so I'm approaching the front. See quite a bit of traffic coming around on the roundabout, and a lot of cars wanting to join the roundabout as well, so I've got to try and keep an eye on both of them. When I join the roundabout, I'm going to go into the right lane, the lane closest to the roundabout. So it's a busy time, so I've just got to be patient. This is what the examiner's going to like. At a busy time, you're showing patience, so you're not rushing. Right, I can see a little gap developing. Nope. So I'm going to change my mind. Right. Nope. If people start beeping behind you on your test, just ignore them. You just focus. Make sure you're not hesitating though. Right, there's a little gap. So I'm going to join in the right lane. Put it into second gear. I'm not going to go over 20 because I don't want to go too fast. There's the second exit before mine. I'm going to mirror signal. Good look in the left mirror. I'm coming across to the left lane. Still checking. Checking all three mirrors. And off I go. One thing to remember on your test, very important. If they ask you to take a certain exit, but when you're very close to the roundabout and you're in the wrong lane, make sure you follow that lane and do what that lane allows you to do. Then you've done nothing wrong and they won't fail you.